English Easy Practice. Welcome to today's video. Are you ready to learn English through stories and improve your listening skills? This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners who want to practice English speaking and boost their confidence. If your goal is to improve English fluency and speak naturally, you're in the right place. With English storytelling and practical exercises, we'll help you build vocabulary and practice English listening step by step. Let's make language learning fun and effective. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about English for beginners, English stories, and tips to speak English fluently. Let's get started. Let's start with some essential vocabulary that you'll use every day. Learning these words will help you improve your English fluency and feel more confident when speaking. Here are 5 important words for today. Food, example, I like Mexican food. Water, example, can I have some water, please? Friend, example, this is my best friend. Bus, example, where is the bus stop? Book, example, I'm reading a good book. Repeat after me: food, water, friend, bus, book. Great! Now let's practice these words in complete sentences. Now it's your turn. How would you say, I like pizza? That's right. I like pizza. Try saying it out loud. Now that you've learned some new words, let's use them in sentences and simple conversations. Practicing phrases will help you speak English fluently and feel confident in everyday situations. Here are 3 common phrases you can use today. How are you? Example, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Example, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Where is the bus stop? Example, excuse me, where is the bus stop? Now it's your turn. If someone says, how are you? How would you respond? That's right. I'm fine, thank you. Keep practicing this with different people or even in front of a mirror. Great job. These phrases will make it easier for you to communicate in English every day. Let's finish today's lesson with a pronunciation practice called shadowing. This exercise will help you improve your fluency, rhythm, and intonation in English. Here's how it works. I will say a line from the dialogue, and you repeat it immediately after me. Try to match my tone, speed, and pronunciation. Let's begin. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Where is the bus stop? It's over there. Now let's try the same lines, but this time, repeat them without waiting too long. Ready? Let's go. Repeat the lines above but with shorter pauses. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Where is the bus stop? It's over there. Great job. Shadowing is a powerful way to sound more natural in English. Repeat this exercise every day, and you'll notice big improvements in your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Storytelling. A day in Emma's life. Let's learn English through a simple story. Listen carefully to the sentences and try to repeat them out loud. This story is about Emma, a girl learning English. Let's begin. Story 1. Morning. Emma wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. She says, good morning, and gets out of bed. Emma drinks a glass of water. She eats toast and eggs for breakfast. She says, I like eggs. Vocabulary. Morning, the first part of the day. Glass, a container for water or drinks. Toast, bread that is cooked until it is brown. Practice. What time does Emma wake up? Answer, 7 a.m. What does Emma eat for breakfast? Answer, toast and eggs. 2. Going to school. Emma takes the bus to school. She says to the driver, good morning. Where is my stop? The driver says, your stop is the next one. Emma says, thank you, and gets off the bus. Vocabulary. Bus, a large vehicle for many people. Stop, a place where the bus lets people get on or off. Driver, a person who drives the bus. Practice. How does Emma go to school? Answer, by bus. What does Emma say to the driver? Answer, good morning. 3. At school. At school, Emma meets her best friend, Sarah. Sarah says, hi Emma. How are you? Emma says, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Sarah says, I'm good. Let's go to class. Vocabulary. Friend, a person you like and spend time with. Class, a place where students learn. Fine, feeling okay or good. Who is Emma's best friend? Answer, Sarah. What does Sarah say to Emma? Answer, Hi Emma. How are you? 4. Afternoon. After school, Emma and Sarah go to the park. They sit on a bench and talk. Emma says, I like the park. It's beautiful. Sarah says, Yes, it's very nice. Vocabulary. Park, a place with trees, grass, and benches. Bench, a long seat for 2 or more people. Beautiful, very pretty. Practice. Where do Emma and Sarah go after school? Answer, to the park. What does Emma say about the park? Answer, I like the park. It's beautiful. 5. Evening. Emma goes home at 5 p.m. She eats dinner with her family. Emma says, Dinner is my favorite meal. After dinner, she reads a book. At 9 p.m., Emma goes to bed and says, Good night. Vocabulary. Dinner, the last big meal of the day. Meal, food you eat at a specific time. Good night, a phrase to say before going to sleep. Practice. What time does Emma go to bed? Answer, 9 p.m. What does Emma say before going to sleep? Answer, good night. Great job! In this story, you learned new words like morning, bus, friend, and dinner. You also practiced sentences and questions. Watch this video again and try to tell the story of Emma's day in your own words. See you next time. Great work today! You've learned new vocabulary, practiced common phrases, improved your listening skills, and even worked on your pronunciation with shadowing. Each small step you take brings you closer to speaking English fluently. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Practice these exercises daily, and you'll see amazing progress. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to check out our other videos with English stories. They're a fun and effective way to learn English through stories and improve your English fluency. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate learner, these videos will help you practice English listening and speaking in real-life situations. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more lessons like this one, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Let us know in the comments, which part of today's lesson was your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.